rose-colored lenses and the white picket fences. No matter how good this is, it could never satisfy when it's you that I'm missing. Now I sit in the